What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Continuing with the transparency, I'm 100% fully transparent with you guys, and I show you all the trades that I take, and I document all the trades that I take. I'll share with you the trades I took yesterday, May 29th, and today, May 30th. May 29th was basically a break-even trade. So here my bias for the 29th, which was Wednesday, was basically bullish, and I thought that we were gonna continue on making a buy model because we were delivering from a inverse fair value gap on the hourly, and we were reacting off of it pretty well. So I went down to I believe the 1 minute, and I basically did not trade anything at all until after lunchtime. So this is New York time 1:51 p.m. New York time. My time is 12:50. I basically saw that we had a really good SMT here between this low and this low, and we inverse this bearish fair value gaps, and I took a trade right here. My stop loss was down there, and my break-even point was after hitting this high. So eventually we went all the way up here to hit this high as well, delivering from bearish fair value gaps, and went down. So it did stop me at a break-even. I had my stop loss a little bit above here to cover contracts and stuff, so it was like $45. And I got in with like 10 contracts, and I was looking to take 10 at 6 at this high, and 4 contracts off of London high. But eventually did not give me my what I was looking for, so I got out break even. So that was the trade idea for the 29th, and moving forward for today's trade, I lost my personal daily loss, $508. I think pretty much I had the wrong bias. Like I had on the 1 hour, I had this bearish fair value gap marked out, and I came into the market, I thought we were bearish, and yes, we were, but at the same time, all these impulses legs, I thought we were going higher, and this would be a market maker buy model. So I went to the market with basically 2 trade ideas, or two biases, and that what threw me off. And I'll show you the recordings of the trades I took, and mainly why I lost the $500 for today. It was basically because I did FOMO in a trade pretty late in the drop, and it cost me to lose. Those were test ideas that I took on my practice account. But anyways, back to my leaders, or my 3 accounts that I'm copy trading. We kept dropping, and I took a trade like FOMO in 1 here, and I kept averaging in the trade, so I got in max 4 contracts, I think. And then after we closed above, I closed it. I can review the trades right here. So the first trade idea, it was before market open, and I did not pay attention that it was before market open, near 8:30 or 9:30 New York time, and I got in with 3 contracts. My stop loss was low. I got in like low risk, and I had marked this equal highs, but eventually we just hit the equal highs and went down. We dumped down. I was supposed to put my stop loss at break even after we took out this equal high. It was very obvious, but I had hopes that the market open will pump us up, but it did not go to my favor. So that was a risky trade, and I'm not gonna lie. And today was not really my day. I think I did poorly because I did FOMO in a trade, and that trade idea was supposed to be a break even, the first one. So it is what it is. We kept dumping down. This is one of the 15 minutes fair value gaps that I have drawn. It was bullish, and this was the FOMO in trade that I was talking to you about. We kept dumping lower and lower, and at the end of the move I decided, oh, we're bearish. Okay, but why am I jumping right ahead with that bearish idea? Like, I should have letting it retest that bearish fair value gap and take a sell from there. But no, I took a sell from the very bottom of the move, and it went ahead and retraced all the way up making me scared and making me very close to my $500 daily loss limit that I set for myself. And I was like, I think and at this point I was like, I think I'm wrong about the trade idea, and I'm just gonna close it if we disrespected that bearish fair value gap. And basically that is what happened, and we did close above that bearish fair value gap, and I got out and I took the loss. While we were bearish and in the sell model, but no, I closed the trade and I jumped in another one. And look at my daily drawdown. It's basically $100 away from being locked. And I got in like with this trade, like, yes, I did not over leverage, and I was like, okay, I'm just not gonna over leverage, and we're gonna go for a long here, and this is gonna continue up. I'm not gonna over leverage. I'm gonna have give the trade enough room to breathe. I'm gonna go with 5 contracts, and I'm gonna let it ride all the way up there, and I'll make all the money that I lost. Sadly, in this area it kept stalling a lot and consolidating a lot, and eventually it did stop me out. And it did not go as planned today. On the 30 seconds there were 3 basically, or 2 fair value gap bearish. We did disrespect the first one, but we respected the very top one. That's why we did not keep going higher, and I saw that I was like, I lost hope at this point. I'm just gonna let it. Maybe we respected the inverse fair value gap down there, or respected the bearish fair value gap anyway. It's $100 of drawdown left for the Topstep to lock me out, so I'm gonna let it be what it is, and I'll just take the loss. And that's basically what happened. Eventually it was a sell model. We had a huge SMT at the top here, between this high and this high. The S&P did sweep, the Nasdaq did not, and after that we just kept dumping and dumping. And my mistakes today were closing a trade and jumping into another one right after. That was a mistake, and this trade especially was a FOMO in trade, and I was not supposed to do it on this account. I was supposed to do it on my standalone account or my practice account, but this was one mistake I broke today, and I paid for it. Anyways, we're still up on our evaluation account. I know this is a bit of a journey, but this is what trading is. Nothing is easy, and nothing will come that easy. You gotta work for it, and you gotta back test, you gotta be disciplined, you gotta risk manage. And for example, today, if I didn't have my personal daily loss limit locked in and locked me out, I might have lost a little bit more than just 500. Even if I didn't have any drawdown at all in my evaluation account, I might have blown the whole account up. So you never know, but it's a good thing to go away from the chart and come down and come the next day fresh and already up for the market. One day you having a wrong bias it's not the end of the day, and it's not gonna matter. Trading is all about the long run, not just a short gain, and that's it. So I understand that, and I'm accepting the loss, and I'm moving forward. Let's see what tomorrow brings, and I'll update you guys as we go. Don't forget, if you like the video, subscribe and like the video. And also there is a giveaway coming very soon. I'll make it this weekend, and I'll drop a video, and I'll tell you guys how to participate if you would like to participate in the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 250k starter account from MyFundedFutures, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.